Hey, Hailey,
What, David?
what are we doing today?
Story time!
Story time? Do we all get to do story time?
Yeah!
All right, that'd be fun.
Yeah!
Yeah,
We're all going to be sharing a little more personal information about ourselves.
that'd be good. That'd be good. You know,
Yeah.
we like to deal with people. It's nice when we get people here to talk to. And, I mean, we like to talk with each other, of course, but yeah, that'd be fun. Put something more down on a personal level.
I agree.
Yeah.
Why don't you get us started?
All right. Well, Hailey and I talked about this a little bit before, and I suggested maybe I tell a story of my first real engineering job.
Love to hear it.
So, my first real engineering job, I left. I graduated in May. You know, on a Friday. Actually, it's a Saturday. Monday morning, I went to my first engineering job.
Awesome.
Yeah, George Burke Cropper Construction, Ocean City, Maryland. Great job. Great job. Got to go up and down the beach and
Ooh.
work on different projects. Yeah, it was really a cool job. I had a really, really cool boss. And one day he comes in and he says, "Hey, Dave," he says, "we're topping out that hotel on 13th Street." He says, "we're having a few problems." He said, I can't get away, so I want you to ride up and take a look and help the guys out, figure out that last panel." So I drive up the beach to 13th Street and I walk up, story 11, story 12, up to story 14. You don't have floor 13.
That's so crazy.
Bad luck, So 14, I go up the ladder and I'm up on the very roof. And it's right on the ocean, right on the Atlantic Ocean. Nice ocean breeze blowing in, and so you're kind of,
Yeah.
you're kind of like this. And they say, "Well, Dave, we're having a problem with this last panel." I'm like, "Oh no, what's up?" He says, "I want you to come look at this." And he's hanging over the edge of the building, tapping on this connection. It's 14 stories straight down.
Nope.
We're looking at 250 some feet straight down into the parking lot. And so I come up and I'm like, I think that's going to be okay. And he laughs at me, he laughs. He says, "Okay." He says, "Go down to 1401, go down to room 1401. There's something there I want you to see." So I go down to 1401 and there's Coke and ginger ale and there's beer, and there's all this stuff, and chips and dip and all this. 1403, there's steamed crabs, and there's plates and there's watermelon, ice cold
Are they
watermelon.
hiring?
And saying that you have room by room, there's fried chicken, there's this and that. Each room something different. You go down to the last room, there's ice cream, and cake.
It's like trick-or-treating.
Oh yeah, it was great. What great fun. So, it's not bad being a probie.
No kidding.
Yeah, I remember that like it was a week ago. That was really something. That was a great company to work for. We had a lot of interesting structural work there. Built a lot of really cool buildings. I got to design a hotel.
So cool.
While I was there, so which is still there. I went to see it.
Wow.
That might make another good story someday.
Yeah.
Yeah, got to design the towers on 29th Street.
Mhm.
So that's my story about my second week on the job.
So cool.
And most of these engineering companies they're pretty cool, really.
Yeah.
They get to do cool work. There's a lot of knowledgeable people there. So yeah, that's a good story. Thanks for letting me share that.
Thanks for sharing.
Yeah.
Be an engineer.
There you go.
Thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Go Concrete!
And beat asphalt.